Hello there to my YouTube subscribers and viewers. As you know, we are living through some crazy times right now, but I wanted to create a video of empowering you. As you know, it's important for us to practice social distancing, but that does not mean you can't get out there and get some type of exercise in. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know I've created some interesting videos for you to use at home or outside. But in the meantime, you have to stay keeping with your fitness routine. Keep on exercising. That's important for a healthy immune system. Of course, coupled with prayer, good eating, and just trying to keep spiritually strong during these crazy times. Keep on with your exercise routine. Keep on watching the videos I have here, as well as some other YouTube channels. Anything that's going to keep you moving, anything that's going to keep your immune system strong. So I will create some videos and send them, I will put them out there. I had to do some editing because of, everything that's going on right now, but I do have some videos in the pipeline and I'll be introducing them eventually. But in the meantime, during these crazy times, stay strong, stay healthy, keep exercising. You can rely on this channel and you can rely on other channels. So as long as you keep on moving to keep yourself healthy. Stay strong.